Welcome back to Car Master YouTube channel. Today, we will talk about the 2025 Nissan Titan. A full-size pickup truck concludes its two-decade-long journey with the 2024 model year marking the end of an era. Nissan's decision to cease production stems from the truck's perpetual struggle to compete with dominant rivals from the big three automakers. The move aims to redirect manufacturing resources towards the production of electric vehicles at the Canton plant in Mississippi for its final iteration, the 2024 Nissan Titan, undergo minor updates, including the discontinuation of the base S trim level and the introduction of the SV Bronze Edition package. This package adds cosmetic enhancements such as bronze 20-in wheels, a black exterior grille and bumper, a sport bar, and bronze edition floor mats, albeit at an extra cost of 2,180 toll zones on top of the SV model's price. Despite its shortcoming, the Titan has its merits. It boasts a robust V8 engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring adequate power delivery. The cabin is designed to minimize noise, and Nissan equips the truck with numerous active safety features, enhancing overall comfort and safety. However, the Titan falls short in several areas compared to its competitors. Its payload and towing capacities lag behind rivals, and the truck's performance, especially when unladen, leaves room for improvement. Additionally, the interior quality is criticized for feeling cheap, and fuel economy is another area where the Titan struggles under the hood. The 2024 Titan is powered by a 5.6L V8 engine, generating 400 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque, mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission.
This powertrain configuration is consistent across all trim levels, with the option for rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. The Titan is available in two bed lengths, 5.5 ft or 6.5 ft, and two cab options, crew cab or extended cab, referred to as King Cab by Nissan, while cabin space is deemed adequate. Rivals like the Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado 1500 offer more legroom in terms of technology. The 2024 Titan equipped with a 7.0 in digital instrument display and an 8.0 in infotainment touchscreen. Apple CarPlay is standard across all trims, while Android Auto is exclusive to higher trims. The audio system varies across trims, with the Platinum Reserve model featuring a premium 12-speaker setup. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.